Why don't you try with those? See if it goes anywhere with that.
Oh, no.
Put it in. You had it. You had it. You just have to fit it in. See? You had it.
Okay. No.
Try again.
Yeah.
Try a different spot and see if it fits. There you go. See? It fits there. Good job.
Yeah.
Do any of these pieces look like they might fit with that?
Yeah. That.
That doesn't quite go there, does it?
Goes there.
Try another spot. No, try something else there. You had it. You almost had it. You were so close. Look. You almost had it. Put that in there. There you go. What about the one in your hand? Where does that go? The piece in your hand. Look. Where does that one go?
Goes here.
Good job.